Organize your books, a simple guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and useful phrase, organize your books. Whether you're in a classroom, at home, or just love reading, this phrase is something you'll find very handy. So, let's dive into what it means, how to do it, and why it's important. Organize your books is a straightforward instruction that involves arranging or putting your books in order. It implies tidying up your books so that they are neatly arranged and easy to find. Organizing can mean different things based on context. It could involve sorting books by author, genre, size, or even color. The goal is to make your space more orderly and your books more accessible. Organizing your books has several benefits. 1. Easier to find books. When your books are organized, you spend less time searching for them. 2. Saves space. Proper organization can actually create more space on your shelves or in your room. 3. Protects your books. Keeping books organized prevents them from being damaged. 4. Aesthetic appeal. Neatly arranged books can be visually pleasing and add to the decor of a room. Step 1. Declutter. Start by removing all books from their shelves. This is a great time to decide which books you want to keep, donate, or sell. Step 2. Categorize. Think about how you want to categorize your books. Options include by author, genre, size, or even the color of the book's spine. Step 3. Clean. Before placing your books back, dust both the books and the shelves. This keeps your collection in top condition. Step 4. Arrange. Now, based on the categories you've chosen, start arranging your books back on the shelves. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about what makes sense to you. Step 5. Maintain. Lastly, try to maintain this order by putting books back in their place after you use them. This will keep your collection organized for longer. We hope this guide helps you understand and apply the phrase, organize your books, in your daily life. Not only does organizing make your space look better, but it also makes it functional and efficient. Remember, a little effort in organizing can save you a lot of time and hassle in the long run. Happy organizing, and see you in our next video.